The Swipe Smith pressure washer. All right, believe it or not, all of this stuff is just accessories for the power washer. So this is a spindle that holds the hose, handle, sprayer, or spraying attachment. All right, let's look a little bit closer at this. We got the on and off switch right there. And then of course the hose attachment on the back. Handle goes right there. Looks like we got some sort of a holder attachment, and then your garden hose goes in here. We got a power cord. This is the first piece they have put on. Notice that there's an orange, a red, a green, and a white plug. It goes on like this, and there's 4 screws to go in here, 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 and here. Next up we have this guy right here, which fits, I believe, like so, and that'll fit up there. Screws here, and then 2 screws here. From here it has me take these pieces right here, and they're gonna set in like so. So this can freely spin, and that's gonna fit around this guy right here. So now we have this thing that spins easily right here. So from there, this is going to fit like a puzzle piece on here. And then there's going to be screws that go on right there. Now we have that. We got the handle first. Handle goes in right here. Took the handle and we put it in like that. And now we're good to go from there. So next up, little side pieces. This piece goes right here. And then this piece goes right here. We have this piece right here will go right here, like so. There we go. This is the sprayer hose. This end, of course, goes in here and tightens up just like that. The other end goes on to the gun. On the gun, we have a locking attachment. So once it's locked, you can't spray. Unlocked, I guess it's a safety. And then we have pressure point right here. It looks like we have, this is for the attachment. So the attachment goes like this. This is where this will go. So you push that in, that unlocks it, and then it locks it up. So no water gets through. So this goes in like so, up. So we turn it. There we go. Now it's locked into place. We're ready to spray something. So the orange nozzle is this one right here. Put that down. Twist that in. Snap it in. It's nice and locked in. And here we go. This is what it'll do. And here we got the red nozzle. Here's the green nozzle. And last but not least, the white nozzle. We also have the dispenser attachment. Of course, put soap or whatever in here, and then you put this in here, and then when you're ready, go ahead and spray. Let's show you the difference in power. So we got this turned off. We get a nice mist. Let's turn it on. And a lot different. Turn it off. It's a nice misty shower. Turn it back on. Oh, that scrubs. Taking off the nozzle was a little bit tricky. So basically you pull up on this green thing, but you got to push down on this and then twist, and I'll take that out. Remember, when you're changing attachments, water will come out. So if you're going from that attachment to this attachment right here, you bring that in, you bring it down, you twist it. You got to push on both sides, pull it inside, and then twist it, and then lock it in. And then it's good to go. And then when you're done, push them down, twist, and once again, like I said, it's going to get a little wet, but there you go. And now the grill is clean. I did a little bit of the walk as well. Now it's time to do some grilling and relax. Jeffrey Powers from Geekazine. Once again, this is the Swipe Smith pressure washer. Thanks a lot for watching. Geek out.